Hello everyone, welcome to the Clubhouse of Driving Passion here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the power folding mirrors on your CX-5 CX-9. Here's how you do it. Okay, so we're inside of the CX-5. CX-9 has this feature as well. What we want to do is we want to press the start button twice, no feet on the pedals. So 1, 2. You'll notice that your mirrors will already be out. We want to make sure that the parking brake is on. Pull up to make sure that it's on and lit. And then what we do is we go over to the window switch and we make sure that it's in the lock position. So if it's up, unlocked, down is locked. Then passenger and both rear windows, we want to press simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Book says only 3 seconds, but hey, a couple extra doesn't hurt anything. Then what we want to do is we want to turn off the car and get out. Close the door and then hit the lock button on the key and the mirrors stay folded out. Locked, unlocked, mirrors stay out. So over the winter time, you can keep your mirrors from getting all clogged up with ice and snow and running the risk of breakage by leaving them folded out. And then all you have to do is redo that procedure for the summertime, and then they'll fold back in. For more tips like this, come down and see us at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverly Auto Mall, and we'll show you how to use your Mazda a little bit better.